Hi, welcome to Sarab's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very easy dessert. It's called the passion fruit slice. So for that, I've got some digestives here, wholemeal digestives, which I have blended in a blender. I've got a smooth powder here. And to this, I'm going to add some butter. You could add this in the blender, so when you're powdering the biscuits, so it gets mixed. That's easier too. So we mix till we get this breadcrumb like mixture. And now I have my lined tray ready here, baking tray. Press it down to make the base. I've scooped up some passion fruit pulp here, and I've got some condensed milk. I'm going to mix passion fruit into this. It's very refreshing. A little sour and tangy, but condensed milk, it balances it. And I'm going to add a little lemon juice, so it's not too sweet with the condensed milk. So we're going to pour this on our prepared base. I'm going to pop it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. You see the top gets a little firm after 15 minutes and it's done. Refrigerate till it's really chilled and you can cut it into neat slices. Now the passion fruit slices are nicely chilled. It's a snappy, quick dessert, perfect for any occasion. That's it in Sarab's Kitchen today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We look forward to seeing you for many more recipes like this.